Hey, what's up guys? This is Ian and welcome to another one of my videos. Alright, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of this Ravpower car jumper come portable battery. Okay, so let's get into it. I got this online and in Q10. Okay, and you can get it in your local country. I'll put the link below so that you can look for it. Now basically why I bought this is because I want to have an insurance. Maybe what I'll do is that I'll just turn it around. Of not having my car stuck in the middle of the road. Okay, so basically this is a 10,000 milliampere car jump starter. Okay, and here's the website, and at the back you have the serial number, the QR code, and it's got this smart eye logo here, whatever. Alright, so we have the instructions manual here. Okay, you can read that later. And then what do we have here? So inside here, let's try to open this up. Ooh. So there's a pouch, right? Just put it one side, and what's this? And there's nothing in there. So there's a micro USB cable, nothing special. There is another micro USB cable, two micro USB cables. One is a bit longer. I don't know what's the point of this. And the most important thing is this. This is the cable that you'll need to connect to your car battery, and this end goes into the car jumper, and then you jump start your car. And let's open this package here. Okay. Oops. And there you go. It's got this rubbery feel to it. It's rubberized. Okay, so you've got an output here. You've got this socket here that you need to plug this in. Okay, and then you start your car. It's got a light indicator here on this side. You've got an input charge. So what I would think is that you have one cable plugged in here when if you need to charge it, and nothing on this side, nothing on this side, nothing on the back, and the front you have the power button. It's 50% charged out of the box, so I guess it's not really good if you bought it and you didn't charge it and you tried to use it. So you need to charge it first before you use it. Okay, and that's about it for the unboxing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it out on my car if I have a chance. Okay, plug it in like that, and that's it. Oh, so when you plug it in, there's a light blinking here. I'm not sure what this means. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read the instructions and see what it means. Right, so this is a very brief unboxing of this Ravpower car jump starter. Okay, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video. The link to buy is down below. So see you guys again, and thank you for watching my video. Cheers.